everyone, welcome back to the TechLog YouTube channel. Today for this video of TechLog, I will be showing you how to add signature in Yahoo Mail. So first thing is open the Yahoo Mail on your phone device and then get logged in into the account. Now once you have been logged in into the Yahoo Mail, what you need to do over here is tap on your profile icon on the top left corner of your screen. Tap that. Once you're at this page, you need to tap on setting. Tap on it. Now in the setting, you need to scroll down in the general section and there on the top you will find the signature option. Tap that. Here you will have the option to add a signature for your mail. You can customize signature for each account separately. For that you need to tap on the toggle of first, and the second is to include signature in new message. Tap that toggle and below you will need to type in the signature that you want to add on your new messages when you send email. So you just need to remove this from the text box and here you provide the new signature. I'm going to type in the signature for here. Now you can provide up to 1000 word over here. Now that will be the signature. Just go back. Now you try composing a new mail. Tap on the pen icon on the top right and there you can see the signature below. TechLog YouTube channel. This is the signature that will be added to the mail every time you compose a new mail. Hope this video was useful on how you can add signature in Yahoo Mail. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the TechLog YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.